All right, everyone, it's time to get started with the first Slime Science Live show of the day. My name's Tiffany, and over here we have Julia, one of our hosts, and Lyra as one of the co-hosts. They're going to be helping me slime these two ladies today. So let's meet our contestants. We have Kylie over here. And Kylie, what were you saying that you like to do?
I like to do cross country.
You like to do cross country. Very cool. And we have Kimber. What do you like to do?
I like to do cheerleading.
Very cool. So these ladies are athletes. Awesome. And I found them at Inquiry Island playing with some slime. So when I needed some contestants for the show, I knew where to go because these ladies were all about slime and they couldn't wait to be a part of the show. So I'm really excited to have them and also to probably get them slimed today. So we're going to briefly go over the rules of the show. So this is a trivia-based game show. And what's going to happen is we're going to have 3 rounds. The first round of questions is going to be multiple choice. The second round is going to be true or false. And then the last round is going to be open-ended. So you actually have to know the answer to the question in order to get it correct. Now, at any point, audience members, they might ask you for help. So if we need help, they're going to ask the audience. Now, keep in mind, the audience might want to see you get slimed. So they may give you the wrong answer. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how the audience works with us. Sometimes they're on your side. Sometimes they want to see you get slimed. So I don't know. You guys ready to get started?
Yeah.
You ready? Awesome. Okay, very good. So we're going to start off with multiple choice. And hopefully my clicker's working. I think so. Technology, work with me. All right. There's some people getting slimed. And we have some green slime today. I chose green. Sometimes we have purple. All right. Let's see. I'm trying to get to round 1. There we go. Technology. We're getting these guys slimed, even if technology doesn't work. All right. Very good. I think we're ready. So let's start with multiple choice. All right. I'm going to go with you first, okay? Which is not a symptom of a rattlesnake bite? Do you know anything about snakes? Well, we're going to learn about snakes today. Okay, so what do you think is not a symptom of getting bit by a rattlesnake? Do you think it's A, difficulty breathing, B, foaming at the mouth, or C, nausea? So which one do you think is not a symptom? Number A, difficulty breathing. Final answer, A. And that's incorrect. It's going to be B, foaming at the mouth. Oh, and we didn't talk about our strikes. So what's going to happen if our contestants get a question wrong? We are going to give them a strike. Julie, if you can show us one of our strikes. Very good. And if they get one right, they can either give a strike to their opponent or they can take away a strike if they have one. And 5 strikes will get you slimed in this game. So we're going to try to get everyone slimed today. That's my business, getting everyone slimed. I was slimed last weekend, so I do get slimed as well. I don't just slime people. All right. You ready for your first question? Very good. All right. Herbivore poo contains A, plant parts and berry bits, B, insects, or C, fish bones? A, plant parts and berry bits, final answer? Mm-hmm. And you are correct. So you don't have any strikes, so that means your cousin is going to get a strike over there. All right. Oh boy, we got two strikes. All right, let's see if we can get her on the board, okay? So, next question. What is it called when birds lose their feathers? Is it A, molting, B, nesting, or C, hibernating when birds lose their feathers? Number B, nesting. Do you want to ask the audience? Yeah? Okay. Let's ask the audience for this one. So, when birds lose their feathers, how many think it's molting? Raise your hand. All right. How many think it's B, nesting? We got one for nesting or hibernating. She's choosing both. So what do you think? The audience went with A. What do you think? You want to go with A? Okay, we're going to go with A, molting. And that is correct. The audience is on your side. Sounds good. So would you like to take away your strike, or would you like to get your cousin on the board? What do you think?
Cousin on the board.
Oh, let's get her on the board. Very good. I like it. I like it. Awesome. All right, let's move over here. How many brains does a sea star have? Is it A, 0, B, 1, or C, 5? C, 5, final answer?
C.
Oh boy, that is incorrect. It is going to be 0. So instead of brains, they have a series of neuron-like cells that carry out the functions of a typical brain. That one was pretty tricky. So, all right, you got your second strike? All right, all right. Let's keep moving on. We are still in round 1. All right, a dung beetle pushes a dung ball with its A, back legs, B, head, or C, front legs. Now this one is in the Grossology exhibit. What do you think? Back legs, final answer?
Back leg.
Back legs, and you were absolutely correct. Very good. Would you like to take away your one strike, or would you like to give your cousin another strike?
Take away my strike.
All right, let's take her strike away. Okay, very good. All right. Which mammal is the world's slowest? And luckily they don't have me on here, because sometimes I'm pretty slow in the morning, but they don't have me as a choice. Okay. Do we have A, the sloth, B, the lemming, or C, the pig? The world's slowest animal.
A.
A, the sloth, and you were absolutely correct. What do you think? Would you like to give her a strike or take away one of yours? Decisions, decisions. She doesn't have any strikes right now. You want to give her one? All right, let's get her back on the board. Very good. All right. All right, we're moving to round 2. So we're going to true and false questions. All right, feeling good? Do you like true and false? Yeah? Okay, true or false? Chimpanzees will eat other monkeys. You think that's true or false?
False.
False. And you're going to be incorrect. The answer is actually true. They eat mostly fruit and berries, but smaller monkeys are also part of the diet. Wow. All right, so you guys are even right now. You guys both have 2 strikes. Let's see who gets slimed first. Okay. True or false? A cockroach's skeleton is outside of its body. What do you think?
True.
True? You are absolutely correct. A cockroach's skeleton is its shell. They go around leaving their shells all over the place when they outgrow them. So you have a choice. Would you like to take away a strike or give one to your cousin? What do you think? Big decisions up here today.
Give her.
You're going to give her a strike? Oh, my goodness. Okay. All right. Let's see what we got over here. All right. True or false? Dung beetles collect and eat poop. Dung beetles collect and eat poop. Now, you knew the last dung beetle question. You got some more information about dung beetles?
I think it's true.
I think it's true? You are absolutely correct. They even roll dung in a ball and lay eggs in it so their babies have food when they hatch. Interesting place to be born. Now, would you like to take away one of your strikes or give her a strike? Now, if you give her a strike, she's going to be even with you. What do you think?
Give her a strike.
Oh, we're in the mood for giving strikes. All right, let's do it. Let's give her a strike. Very good. All right, this is tied. I like it. I like it. All right. You know anything about chameleons? Know some stuff? Okay, we got a chameleon question for you. A chameleon can look at the ceiling and the floor at the same time. You think that's true, or you think that's bogus? What do you think?
True.
True? Yes, that is absolutely correct. A chameleon's eyes can move independently, unlike humans. That would be pretty neat if you can kind of look all over the place. That would be really good for me driving. All right, so what do you think? You're going to take away a strike, or you're going to give her 4th strike? Oh, boy. It's getting pretty close now.
Give her 1.
Oh, she's giving you your 4th strike. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. You know what that means. This last question's pretty important, but we'll see. We'll see. Okay. True or false? Boy aardvarks leave home when they grow up, but girl aardvarks just make a hole next door. Going with false? Final answer?
False.
False? Okay. The answer is going to be true. You are unfortunately incorrect. We got 5 strikes, so we're going to slime you in just a sec, but let's learn some science before we get slimed, shall we? All right. Female aardvarks tend to stay close to their moms, but they hunt bugs together. Interesting. Okay. How you feeling? You think you're ready to get slimed?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? All right. Audience, let's count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, boy. How are you feeling?
Good.
Good. Awesome. Is the slime just the right temperature?
Yes.
Oh, wow, you're so agreeable. Pretty good slime. And if you're wondering what our slime is made out of, I just freshly made it this morning. It's actually made from guar gum, which is actually from a bean. And it's found in things like ice cream and sometimes hair products and also salad dressing. So it's used to thicken things up, so it makes a really good slime. All right, so we're going to reset your X's, but she still has 2 more. What does it feel like?
Feels so gooey.
It feels so gooey. Awesome. All right. Oh, boy. All right, we got less than a minute in round 2. Okay. True or false? Some people make omelets out of tarantula eggs. Tarantula eggs. Some people make omelets out of them. Not just eat them, they make omelets. What do you think?
False.
False? Does anybody know the answer to this? It is true. Some people make omelets. Nobody out there does, I hope. Okay, not me. True, you can actually get this delicious dish in some parts of Brazil. All right, so we got your 4th strike. All right, and we're moving on to round 3. And round 3 is going to be the open-ended round. So again, you have to know the answers to these questions. All right. Oh boy, this one's a little tough. I don't think I know this one. Are you ready? All right. What is a baby shark called? Oh my goodness. This is not one that I knew before seeing the answer. Now don't forget, we can ask the audience. What do you think? Do you know this one? No? Okay. Does anybody know what a baby shark is called? If you do, raise your hand. Yes. Okay, a pup? What are you going to go with? Pup. 2 of them went with pup. You going to go for it?
Yeah.
All right, a pup, and they are absolutely correct. So they saved you. Now, you know what's going to happen? She's going to get her last strike because you don't have any. So she's going to get slimed. Are you ready to get slimed? She's ready. All right, audience. So let's count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, my goodness. Wow. That is pretty gloopy. I got to be careful around here myself. How are you feeling?
It feels weird.
It feels weird? Does it feel like anything you felt before?
No.
No, usually not hanging out in slime. Oh my goodness, you got a lot on your arms. Oh wow. Let's give a round of applause to these contestants. They were so awesome. They just did it on a whim today. They weren't even planning on getting slime. They were awesome sport.